Hey guys, welcome back to A Blast to the Past, a series where I look at classic games that were mostly popular in early 2000s. Today we're going to be looking at Happy Wheels. So yeah, I got curious to see if this game even still worked because I thought it ran on Flash, but it does. So what we're going to do? Well, okay, let's go. I am dead. My son left without me. He took the milk. I was planning to do that when he was 15. Flip. I died again. Oh my god. Oh, that was terrible. Oh, they both died. Okay. We're gonna go. Backwards flip. Ah! Okay. I'm gonna do this until I win. I've done it before. I played this level before recording. Oh, my spine. That is my spine. That is my spine. Oh, okay. Start. It did say to stop, but I'm still gonna do my flip. And how am I supposed to stop? I have so much speed. Oh, that probably would have worked if I didn't flip myself back up. Shit. We're still going. Oh, my head. Oh, that's gotta be painful. Oh, first my head and then my fucking body. We're still going, right? Oh, never mind. Never mind. We are not. We are not still going. I will beat this. He's gonna run. I swear. Let him go! Oh, he made it! He made the Florida. Oh, I stopped by pressing space. Come on, my son is dead, but I can still make it. Oh, there goes my head. Okay, now that I know how to stop, I'll be able to do my flip and win. Oh, there we go. Go, get out! No, he died at the last minute! Ah, he died at the last second. Dead. Man, how's this taking me 3 minutes? I beat this on the first try. Okay, go. Don't die. They killed my kid. That's fine. Florida, kill the baby. My legs, they're gone, and so is my body. Oh, there goes his arm.
Damn it!
Yeah, let that sink in. Oh, thank God my kid wasn't there because he's already dead. Florida. Oh, don't kill the baby. Ah, live. He's alive. Bottles everywhere. Okay, here we go. Flip for good luck. Stop! Oh! I am too good! I don't need a helmet. Or this kid. Flip again. Oh, look at me go. I'm doing it with only one leg. One leg run. Here we go. Don't die. No, I missed it. I missed it. Ah, I beat it. I missed it. I'm counting that as a win. I made it. I made it. I'm counting that as a win. To the menu. Yeah, we're just gonna play some of the top ones. My first pogo fight. Okay. Selecting our character. Obviously, we're gonna go Pogo Man. That's not. Oh, I selected the wrong guy. Oops. I use Pogo Man for this one. Where is he? There he is. Oh. Oh, look at that man. He's going. He's going crazy with it. I wonder if people still make Happy Wheels levels or if these are all just like from 7 years ago. Oh man, if I... Oh, I'm dead. There's better pogo fights. We can go without this one. Oh no, these are from 2022. Yeah, people still make Happy Wheels levels. Wow. Gray's bottle. Yeah, we'll go Gray's bottle run. What does it say? Hold up. We gotta go back. Fall here. Okay. Oh. There's no music. I'm not gonna edit it because why would I? Okay. Up. Just press the up arrow and we'll start running. Ow! Ah. Okay. I'm dead. No, my head completely detached. What if I hold down the space bar? That actually made it worse. Yeah, we're trying something else. That sounded fun, but it wasn't. Pogo Adventure 3 IMN. Let's search. Oh, search by name. Let's search Forest. Forest Assassin 2011. We're getting old. Oh! My Segway broke. Oh, I know what to do. Actually, I don't. Let me choose. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to grab. I don't know what to do. Like, how do I grab? I don't know how to grab. Let's just cut that. Boom. Click Parkour Makers. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is. Parkour dodge. Okay. See what guy incognito can do. Hold up, I need to have full screen. There we go. Okay. Oh, watch out, watch out! I did a terrible job. I did not survive. Okay, here we go. Let's just stay here. Nut! Oh, look at me go! Oh, this is easy. Stay here. What? Oh, I'm alive still. I'm still alive. Timing is everything. Oh, no! Look at me go! I'm so good at this. Oh, down here. Oh my god. How am I living? Oh, that was close. Tic Tac Toe style? Okay. Oh. Oh, what? Oh, I'm alive. I hate you. That was so mean. Okay, here we go. Jump. Oh, we should go check out this guy on YouTube. I actually kind of. Let's check him out on YouTube later. Thanks, guy incognito. Okay, that was pretty cool. I'm surprised I actually won that. Level edit. Guy incognito really makes popular levels. Those powered by Craftus style. This level has a final boss. Those two languages, Spanish and English. Hope you like it. Have a nice day. Okay. This sounds pretty cool. We're playing as Irresponsible Dad. That's the bike guy. Level editor versus you. English. Hey! How? I'm out of here.
Oh!
Go, Irresponsible Dad.
Oh god!
He killed me already! Bro, he killed me already. Okay, let's restart. He killed me. Boom. How do you do this, bro? This is really cool. English. This is actually really cool. Oh, okay. Oh! The cursor killed me! It killed me.
Oh!
We are the level editors.
Ah! Yes!
Go, 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 go. Boss fight. What? Final boss? Oh. It's the final boss. Oh, what? Oh, I'm dead. I died at the final boss. Okay, here we go. We gotta win against the final boss. English. We're gonna get up here. I thought he was gonna throw the text at us, honestly, like animator versus animation style.
Oh!
Click. Okay. Speed run.
Yes!
Only Link can defeat Ganon. Only Irresponsible Dad can defeat the cursor. What does text say? Touch the cursor. Oh, watch out. Don't lose the bike wheels.
Ow!
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh! Ow!
Okay. Our bike is crushed.
No!
Go. The wheels still works. Let's go. Oh, click off finish. Boom. Boom. Yo! Oh. Hope you like it. Have a nice day. Win. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that one. That was like anime versus animation. Villain battle? No, I want to play Axe versus Zombies by Pun Cakes. Oh, what? Okay, up here. Get away from me. Look at me go. That's actually, I like it. Mutilated. Mutilated. Bro, I am mutilating them. I came back for more. Get your soccer ball out of here. Oh, that was all of these levels are pretty cool, but that one was funny. Okay. Bottle Run Hard 2. Okay. I'll try Bottle Run again. Ah, I almost had it. Okay. What's the key? Sexy Pro Point Intelligence. Paroi Intelligence. No! Wow! My heart. I loved her. Wow! Shooting stars. Start too recent. Oh, XWing Attack. Boom. Yeah, we'll play XWing Attack. Space to grab. Oh. Oh, we're going down. We're going down. Oh, okay. Up, down, I guess, I don't know, oh, there we go. May the force be with you. I want to redo that. I feel like I can do better. Restart level. Hurry, fellow rebel. Space to grab on. Up, down, forward, slash back. I'm not done reading. Up and down. I don't know. No, I didn't want to do that. I want to exit to menu. Oh, here's... No, that's the one that crashed the last time. Machete throwing 4. Let's try that. Okay. Okay. Grab... Oh. Kill. Oh, I killed myself. Okay. I can't grab them. I can't grab those last two. Ultimate glass wing. Okay. Here we go. Boosting. Only Link can defeat Gavin. Oh, stabbing? This one's gonna stab me? Okay, here we go. Boost! Back up to the beginning, and then we're gonna go Irresponsible Dad. You got this. He's got this. Oh, that hurt. He's getting the emu pose. Okay, that easy one. Okay. Why is his arms moving like that? Why are his arms moving like that? Watch out, Timmy! Ah! I faced it head on, bro. I always go into that. Timmy's gotta smell my mutilated corpse. only irresponsible dad can defeat the glass. It's taking me so long to beat a glass breaking movie. I got this. Just don't get stabbed, bro. No stabbing. Oh yeah. Ooh, not so extreme, are you? Come on, break the glass. Oh yeah, Timmy's got brain damage now. Oh, spitting glass now. Oh, we don't need arms. Who needs it? Not me. Never mind. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna quit now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.